zone in best trade ideas quickly. Elena, first of all, what's your pick?
For us, it's to have regional banks in the portfolio. As I said, we believe a lot of the structural factors that have been keeping inflation low for the last 3 decades are moving the other direction towards rising inflation, such as, deglobalization now starting, conflicts increasing, demographics, central banks, having to tolerate a little bit more inflation. So we believe regional banks are key to have in portfolios now, in the move or ahead of the move, further move on higher rates.
And Joe, how about you? What's your best idea?
Healthcare. As we move forward in 2022, healthcare, the diversified exposure of it, that would be the way. XLV gives you the diversified exposure. And if you look right now at the sector overall, it's trading at its deepest discount relative to the S&P 500 in the last 30 years. There's a positive correlation between healthcare and rising real rates. And if you go back and study the last 50 years, you'll find that when inflation does begin to modestly rise, healthcare overall historically outperforms. But I think the biggest aspect to that, Courtney, is the policy uncertainty is being removed. There's a dramatic reversal in sentiment from our policymakers in Washington, D.C. They recognize they actually need healthcare companies right now instead of demonizing. I don't think you're going to see regulation and price concerns that we previously had expected as we move forward in 2022. So XLV, diversified healthcare exposure.